So I have some leftover birch from the desk I made last week, and I'm going to use that to make a floating shelf. And I want to make it like a box, so I'm going to make dovetails by hand, which is the first time I'm making it. I've practiced some on some scrap wood, but not enough to be really good at it. But I'm going to give it a try, and hopefully it'll look really good. I guess there's nothing else to say. Let's get to it. Alright, so it's time to hang the shelf on the wall, and I have these screws that are made for floating shelves, and I had to cut it off because they were too long. And these are very smart, so you can unscrew the front of the bolt, and this can be hooked up to the drill, like this. So it can go directly into the wall, and then you can just screw on the rod. Now I also have a trick to align the two holes onto the wall with some tape actually. It's really, really simple. So I have two holes here, and I'm just going to put some tape all across the shelf and align it with the top of the shelf like this. And I can see the holes through the tape, so I'm just going to mark them out around the edge like this, and then I'm going to mark the center, and that's where the screw is going in. So I'm going to do the same on this one, and then I can remove the tape and put it on the wall. And now, if everything is done correctly, this should come onto here, maybe with some force. Maybe with some more force. Alright, that's it. I think it turned out really good. It goes along with the desk super nice, and yeah, I have some storage for my camera lenses and whatnot. Being that I've never cut dovetails by hand or by machine before, I think it turned out really nice, and it kind of completes the desk, I think. If you like this project, please subscribe. If you haven't, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.